Something that really brought me into this field in general is my innate nature just to really want to help people. I think we see that mental health is often stigmatized and people don't really want to seek that support. And if I could be just that slight beacon of light to help others, I think that's really motivating and that's what keeps me doing what I do.
When I was in 7th grade, I filled out a career assessment and counselors showed up. When I saw that, I was like, there's a person who can help others when they're sad or they're going through addictions. I was like, oh, cool, I could do this.
But our program specifically, I think, is really unique because all of our courses are taught by core faculty members. And so we have a vested interest in getting to know the students and supporting them throughout their entire journey within our program.
For being in the School of Health Professions, our students can actually network and meet other faculty, practitioners, clinicians, as well as students within the health professions.
We have a unique opportunity, I think, to teach our students both the rehabilitation counseling aspect and the clinical mental health counseling aspect. And so I think students, when they graduate, they go into the workforce more prepared to work with a wider range of individuals.
In New Jersey, we are the only program that has the rehabilitation emphasis.
In every course, I think students are actually working and applying those skills in different group activities and individual mock sessions.
We have multiple more clinically focused classes throughout our curriculum. So right away, first semester, the students get hands-on learning. On a weekly to monthly basis, the students are recording their counseling skills with their peers and think critically about, okay, what will I do differently next time? One of the key components that makes our program different is we have a counseling clinic where they have hands-on learning with myself and sometimes other faculty as well who can walk alongside them.
For our online students, we do a 2-day in-person residency where they get to come on campus and meet each other, work with each other, assess their skills, and really develop as good, effective counselors. Our primary goal is to support our students not only academically, but holistically.
Our faculty go above and beyond.
We build that mentorship so that when students are getting ready to graduate and they have questions about licensure, they can reach out to us, but even post-graduation when they're trying to navigate the whole licensing board and what's next. We still have a lot of students who reach back out to us because of that relationship that we've built.
We do have a pass rate that's above the national average.
They are much better positioned upon graduation. We have a really high employment rate post-graduation. Most of our students are employed within 3 months of graduation, which is really helpful.
Well, we want to work with you and we want to help you to succeed.
There's no better time than to apply right now.